Now, I just want to know who told me to do this. I'm kidding. No one told me to do this, but I'm over here scooping out. Let me show you what I got going on. So this belongs in one of my acrylic drawer organizers, right? And everything in here, as you can tell, are flowers, right? So all of the flowers are down here, which I still can't fit all of them. As you can see, I mixed 2 shades of yellow, 2 shades of red. I mixed green and blue together. There are different shades of purple. I have white, but I still have black. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe once I use up one of the colors, I can fit the black. But I think this box is just going to be mainly mixes like this. I think that's what I'm going to use it for, because there are different spangles and different, micro marbles, and there's different nail art in here. But because these are flowers, I wanted to get all the flowers out and add them to where the rest of my flowers are, so that I could have more space in here to put different mixes like that. And at first, I don't know if you can see, but at first I started to add the flowers without the micro marbles, and that was just too time consuming. And I don't know, it just didn't make any sense. And then, I was just gonna have a whole bunch of micro marbles in here. Although I could have maybe added the micro marbles to this little organizer, because I'm running low here. So regardless, I mean, if I have a couple of micro marbles left, I'll just add them here. But yeah, I'm gonna continue to add the rest of these flowers, and you're just gonna watch me organize the rest of this, and then we will join in hopefully a minute or two. And I know that you guys really enjoy, my organization videos, so I love to record these for you guys. And if you enjoy them, I will continue to keep making them, of course. Like, I was going like this, and then I said, hello, this is taking too long. No, 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 no. So I said, I need to have some sort of scoop, spoon, something. Sorry for the noises if you hear that airplane. So then I started to scoop them out like this. Do I have gold and silver micro marbles mixed in there? Probably yes. But see, I'm just gonna grab these 2 white flowers, leave the micro marbles in there, and then I'm gonna add the rest of those micro marbles to either this container, or I'm just gonna add them back here or in there. I don't really have many micro marbles, so it wouldn't bother me, to put them back in there. I have colored micro marbles, which I'm not messing with. Those are too they're too tiny, and I don't really have a good scoop to to scoop these out. So I'm just gonna continue to scoop out the yellow. Oh, and then I mixed the pink and the purple flowers here, and so I was individually taking out each pink and putting the different shades of pink in here and the different shades of purple in there. So yes, time consuming, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that. It's actually really therapeutic to do this process. So if you're looking for something to kind of help you relax, this definitely is a great idea. It's just time consuming, so just keep that in mind. The pink and the purple flowers are definitely going to take me forever. If you don't have a rhinestone picker tool, I recommend one of these. I should have did this a long time ago. That's for sure. Yeah, this process is so tedious but worth it, because I want all of my flowers, for the most part, together. So this is definitely going to help me with organization, and when I want my flowers, pull this out, and we should be all set. And then when we use, some up, we'll just refill it with different flowers when we get more. Alright, I think right now my goal is to get the rest of these little purple flowers out, so that I could scoop out the rest of the pink flowers, and then we should be all set with the pink and purple. And then I'll just scoop up the rest of these yellow flowers, And I'll try to remove as much micro marbles as I can. We still have a few little red flowers here, so I'll take those out. And yeah, I haven't shown you the whole process because it's super tedious and taking a long time. So I'll see you in a minute. Alright, so here is my last purple flower. What I have left is just pink. So I'm just going to scoop these out the best I can. And try to scoop out the rest of the yellow. See how am I supposed to scoop these? Y'all help. I must have something bigger than this. Let me see. Alright, I'm down to the last couple of yellow flowers. Now I gotta scoop up the rest of the pink. I really want to add the black flowers, but then let me see what I can do. Because I have combined brown, white, and black up here because I just didn't have space. As you can see here, I combined different shades of green and blue. Here, different shades of pink, different shades of purple, different shades of yellow and orange. So, and here, different shades of red. And there's a little strawberry here, which I'll probably take her out. I just took out the little strawberry and added her to the other strawberries, but she don't want to. There we go. There she is. Cute. I know some of you are like, I don't know how you have patience. I would not have. You know, when you're really determined and you really want something to look good, you will take the time out, even if it takes you, you know, 10, 15, 20 minutes. It's probably been about that. Maybe not so long. I'm also recording too and stopping and going, so it feels longer than what it has been. But again, super therapeutic. I'm almost done, so I just have a little bit of remnants of micro marbles, and like I said, I'll scoop them out probably off camera and add them to here. And yeah, we're almost done. So I just uploaded a video asking for advice on how to start an Etsy shop. So if you guys have any advice, tips, trips, any information that you have, or even if you don't have an Etsy shop and you know a little bit of something, please let me know. I've been doing a little bit of researching on Etsy and kind of getting ideas from different people, and I kind of want to try to come up with some sort of name and some sort of logo, but I don't really know how to do any of that stuff. So let me know if you have any advice. I will definitely be grateful. So now we have no flowers left in here, although you do see a couple of random flowers in here. Those I'm going to leave alone because there probably isn't another one. Like, you see how there's that pink flower there? I don't have another one in that mix. So when I receive mixes like this, they are just going to go right in here. And when I get little spangles like these, I don't really use spangles like these, but when I get them, I put them in here. So just random nail art will definitely go in here that I, you know, can't really fit anywhere else or doesn't really go with the vibe anywhere else. So that is that. So this will be kind of like the random nail art. So this is the other box that I had on camera. Now I wanted to start kind of like a bow organizer. So all of these down here are bows. But these clouds here, there aren't many of these clouds. So I think I might take these clouds out of here and put them somewhere else. Where they're going to go, I don't know. I guess they could stay in there for now because I really don't have anywhere else to put them for the moment. So I guess they can just live in this box. And then when I find somewhere else to put them, I will move them over. Right? I guess that's my thinking. So before I knock this over and make a whole mess and have to pick everything up, I just wanted to show you what my flower box looks like, or my flower organizer. And so when I use some of the flowers, I will go ahead and refill them, but this is what it looks like. And I have two random boxes. Mostly everything is organized, but I have two random boxes. I have this kind of kawaii style box, but random at the same time because nothing really goes in here. And then I have this guy here. These are so beautiful. I had so many of these and I didn't have any, you know, any other space to put the rest of these, so I just put them in here. But again, like these stones, like where am I going to put these stones? This random mix of pearls. I didn't have anywhere to, these are like stones. This chain, more chain, random stones, flowers. So see, I didn't really have anywhere to put any of this. But I wish that these came in bigger, kind of bigger, like double this. But because I have this random box too, I feel like some of these things might be able to fit in here so that I could free up this space. But I'm going to have to get the rest of these micro marbles out to make more space. And I'm definitely going to reorganize this off camera because I don't want this video to take too long. But I do, let me see. See this organizer here? I felt like these stones would fit in here really well, but it's full and I don't really have, I mean not full to the point where they're full. I mean full to the point where I have organized all of these gems. And these are the tiny, tiny, tiny ones, and these took me forever. But these stones definitely kind of go with this vibe here. So maybe when I use up these stones, I will add these to here at some point. I could mix them in with here with these stones, but I don't really know if I want to do that. So yeah, I'll figure all this out off camera. I know you guys don't want to kind of sit through me organizing the rest of this because it is kind of tedious. So I will be doing that off camera, and it'll give me something to do so I can continue to organize the rest of my nail art. And let me put this away so I don't drop it. And I feel like you see over here I kind of have like pearl style nail art, and there's pearls here. I definitely could combine these pearls and these pearls. Maybe I should just put everything from here and here, but then I don't want to mess with these micro marbles. So maybe I think I'll take most of this out and maybe leave it a charm or a chain box. Maybe that's a cool idea, or chunky charms. I'm not really sure, so I will figure that out. Now I can't pick this up. So I've got a couple things to figure out, and I just want to thank you for hanging out with me. I know you guys enjoy these videos. These are cane slices, and I have left them in here because I, again, don't know where else to put them. Sliced up Fimo canes. These are whole. Hold on, guys. These are whole Fimo canes. I've had these for years. Look how cute they are. Super cute, right? And you just cut them up into slices just like this, and you can add them to your nails. Super cool. So yeah, I got a bunch of those, and they kind of live right in here. But yeah, I'm gonna continue to organize. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.